Ashafo amohwe baby amu obi aye mama adwo by the pod media network na edi kan ye beda mase bebre say maka ye ho from day one I share the pod ase bedu samri and the pod nyame adom ya tro ya Akuapem mu ene anwumre time check ma min check time na ma 8:37 share time 8:37 now we bisa the pod na me gina he ene me wo Dansoman yes more Dansoman na na ye better kra wa ha ebo nice egben ye nyina yere nante wafia akwakosi Obosomase eye Tsenku hiking club yes hiking club ba ko wo soro wa ebi won kran ha na ade a woye na enen the pod media network ya aba ye pese ye make sure say ne bekoso bia mamu na mbo hu mpanyinfo pa no kware ni wan hye buta na nwumre wor nante wafi Dansoman Obosomase wo inside wonti the match ni na here ko inside now you will be surprised at enkonfo mbe hu won ages mrante say me de me sure class ye bedu 3 we men ni okura camera ni film ene hina bio yentu ni pasa wan ka nyina mpemfo nka let's go inside ni hwe ne ekoso ho enti o sha obehu Obosomase waka 27 minutes to go 27 minutes to go enti ye men waka 27 minutes to go ni emisa ni say ene den ekoso ha boss bia boko
today is a hiking for Tsenku. We are doing Dansoman Last Stop to Obosomase 52 kilometers.
Are you going to pause somewhere or you are going straight?
We are going as long as the body will take us. When we are ready, the body will tell us when to rest. But we are following the ladies. The ladies are the pace setters. So we'll go with the ladies and then we'll be behind them. But we shall make it. I want to see you there around 8 o'clock in the morning for breakfast.
What kind of breakfast? Yeah, Akuapem for the young breakfast. Into any breakfast, into a different.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, but soup.
I feel so okay. Tree na meti asena na breakfast yeah then kasa. Yeah. Ipacho yembra Hawaii. Hello, mommy.
Hello.
Bibi aboko.
Nyame adu.
Pacho only Tsenku hiking started juma be emevian.
Better over 10 years.
Injaze in your first time.
Debi.
Inti ye na to so be yan.
Madness walk no way e jama my first time also.
There be na den na nkrofo am adwene ye adwuma ma ware ya wo na mo frem walk we say madness walk.
Na nya ye umbo da man ka betimi anante freedom Dansoman Last Stop to Obosomase 52 kilometers. O sata na June 9 no be wie anopa 8. Obi anta wo, obi anhye wo so. Enti na friend madness walk no.
So what? Jaze we ye sane pa dey walk we ntumi mabi. O say oja wa adwene to bie. Now you ready say yes so be yemra Hawaii. Senior also
akulo
na bibi aboko
boko kra
yen ka no kware nshi nyamde anu nyam nante obetuma nante ka no kware
menante
and you say ladies no ain't to be the atro ka no kware
menante
we sure
this is about my sit time also
sir on ka Akuapem da
debi maybe
ubewi
maybe kwa
yo ene me the camera be di wachi me hu papa bi wo ha won na mehwehwe no hwe mu say abrofo no tia me ntumi interview won ayi brofo no wobe ebe mama soma e bebre brofo no papa nini yes boss avishape
afin kopetwe
akora e de mesrew ye ntan ye ba ye mampacho adi mfian
Medi 65 me ko 66 August
ana wa ba ba benante wakwen
me ko Obosomase
akora ubetumi ananto
se me ye de bia we can one prince my this is my third attempt
66 years on nanto afi Dansoman Last Stop Obosomase
enya ding
won you to hospital
tell them say the right bike
mbacho who said
the right bike to Keta
the better makers of penny chatro
from Accra. Oh, I'm serious, from Accra. The right bike to Keta. So walking from here to Obosomase is baby stuff.
And me ba han me beti asem bi say some madness walk we nyina no hu say Bible kra Genesis into madness walk yi nyina no Genesis no madness walk in Genesis and on no to ya ni ya puyema bedu ni check. Ye mi san se dan kura na ka no odidi me ana se scan wanya broso ana se na ni nkum na yere na eteten no ntumi na na so so na dwo no start ya dia na boss ba cho bia boko.
Yeah, a touch of badness. Just a touch of badness. Just okay, just like that. You know, a few of us, about 8 or thereabout, decided to walk from Dansoman to Obosomase. You know, so it started like a joke, but eventually it materialized. We walked there. Then when we got there, our colleagues at Obosomase decided they will retaliate, and this is now like an annual thing.
At what age did you start this?
54, 55.
And you decided to start working from Dansoman to Obosomase.
Sure. I mean, you can see. I have a gym. You know, I mean, most of the friends are in there, but you can see I have a gym. So I've been training in the gym for years.
Okay.
Yeah.
How were you able to get all these people to form this hiking club?
Well, for the hiking club, I think that it's Andrew. It's Andrew who started the hiking club at Obosomase. So you know, when it started, we drove to Obosomase to partake in the hiking. Then eventually we decided we will walk from here. Instead of hiking at Obosomase, we will walk from here to Obosomase. And this is the genesis of the whole thing. This is how it started. And now, you know, it started with about 8 people. And now I think you are millions, as many as the sand at the sea. What do you call it? Oh yeah.
So, Samote, Emranti Amaba, Obi at age 54, and until fee.
Is it last year?
Okay.
Is it last year? The son of our classmate, is it Andrew Bashti, Tirek, Oski, and myself were classmates.
Okay.
At Infantsville. And last year, the son of one of our classmates decided he would join us and teach the old man a lesson. He didn't finish. He didn't finish. That's all. I mean, that's all I would say.
Let me tell you about what is called the hansonic differential. When they did the first work, they didn't finish actually.
We finished.
They finished. They finished. But they were drinking beer on the way, so they were disqualified. So a second group decided to follow up. Among the about 8 or 9 of us, one was waiting for us at Hans Tonic. So when we took off from here at 9, he was shouting that, "Hey, you are late! We're supposed to have Dansoman. I'm at Dansonic. I'm waiting for you." So when we got to Dansoman roundabout, we took a taxi and joined him. We finished the work though, but the rest of the crew said no, because we took a taxi from Dansoman roundabout to Hansonic, it's not counted. So that work is known as the Hansonic differential.
So let me make a correction. It is not true that we were disqualified. Yes, it's not true that we were disqualified.
Okay.
Yes, it is true that, you see, when we got to Yarifa, you see, we started at 4 a.m., not 9 p.m.
Okay.
We started at 4 a.m. So when we got to Yarifa, it was the sun was out. So we saw a beer bar. We went there. We all.
The beer bar is true.
Oh yes, so we had a bottle. We had a bottle each. Then we continued to Ayimesa.
Okay.
When we got there was a beer bar. We had a bottle each. Then we climbed up to Peduase. There was a palm tapper.
Okay.
So we took some palm.
Then it wasn't the walk.
Oh. Then we went to Obosomase.
So the following week, so 3 weeks in a row, you know, that old men were trying to outgo each other. So on the 3rd week, a whole crew of about 20 did there was no Hansonic differential, there was no beer on the way. We started at 9 p.m. And those who did the differential, Hansonic differential, didn't finish. So it proved the point that actually the 52-kilometer walk is a real deal. And out of this is about the 12th time we are doing it. I've done it. I've done it 11 times. This is the 11th round. I've done it 11 times.
The first started in 2015, actually. Okay. It started in 2015.
So, Moamo TB. Ya nam kwan no so ne besi bia na make sure say mo wan wo bete so wan a wo bete na fam wan a wo be so nkutodwe na mama hu ni nyina ntimu stay tuned the Pod Media Network.
We've been working for 2 hours now. It's 11 o'clock. We started at 9 o'clock. It's 23:15. We walked for 12 kilometers. We've done 2 hours. And we are still on the go. And this is what we are doing. We are doing Dansoman Last Stop, 52 kilometers.
Inti Tsenku hiking club hiking na egu so say ya nante we fi Dansoman aba bedu hia na o hwe area mu ahun say yes one walk round 1 ebi abrebre ebi num nsu ebi so abehia okwan ma won yen ba be call round 2 aha yes yeah ebi hu say ma fa mic one start going one ba be ne den hwe bra hello mommy wi awoko
Namiadum.
na mommy wa hodenza.
Well, yeah. I mean, as for way there, it's motivation. When I see say obia munyina moye we na, sane monya vim no, me vim na bapa.
Into betu me ni afia du.
E be du pepepe. Oh them.
Yo, that's a far. We young painful ni bi wa ha yen hwe na. Akura Bacho be aboko
no sir.
Nyame adom akura by this time the 12 abo by this time the anka was say woda na dey ntra why say I match say obenanto
Ye pesika mankofo nti ye ejuma mo
akura bacho na kan sentiment bio
mesi ye pesika mankofo nti ye ejuma mo ye nanto jiska de ya hwenkofo
o wa nti nanti wi ye nanto say mo nanto why
ye fundraising.
Okay,
ye go to school, ye go to computer school ama Obosomase school.
Okay,
onto the namano.
Okay, yo nti then I be catch the won a wo be hwe video bi ba bi o wo
One sorry no mbo a ono ne hen.
Yeah, that's a pa. Yeah, that's why in the short and brief. Inti still manfo mami just say menya wonga work mona ken ko wonga ekwa ne bi ni. Hwe so won yeah otwetwe ne nan nim. Wanan to be 38 kilometers. Boss what's up?
No yeah.
Boss fire na de ba ne hu.
Hey, you mpo. Where half if you have distance there. This is even 22. Is it 22 or 24?
20.
Let me check.
If it's 22, it is 20. Yeah, it's almost
20, I think 24. 24.
So we are left with 26.
26 more to go. No, 26. No, 28. 28 more to go.
And should we expect the same fire now at the starting?
My legs are hurting. My legs are gone. I don't lie to you. They're gone. I didn't get the right word, full word. So my legs are gone. Let's hope for the best.
Okay. Sure. Papa, we want to starting any Jalano Yeshi. But if you do, Bemi Mu said, Debbie, Bemu said, well, slow down. You just slow down, Bembosu. Livia Woko.
Livia Woko.
And I hear about your starting moves and energy of every year about Musefi as an engineer confirm.
But I will say, over start is the speed kakra. And Ruben, we are not one maintain the pace.
Okay. Yes, Yani Arukwa. Are you maintaining the same pace? Na the banana, Obasan Kohai na.
Na push kakra na one maintain it.
Dale, easy wow. Easy wow, but yeah, many Jenny paying for. You could see him paying for what can a group when one wabua. Inti boss say obi wa baby no who duma mudi ya then abe catching. Kabibi. Bra. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. What's that, baby?
Some catch will say maybe, but we still have a long way to go, so we are on it.
Now, what's that? I'm going to show the one.
I'll show the and yes, small joke. It's a very serious thing.
Oh,
I'll finish by 7:30. I should be in Obosomase.
Yes. By 7:30, we do Obosomase. Intimon checking out. Says yeah, about 12:15. 12:15.
I'm on time.
Into your castle, we do Obosomase by 7. Me the banchi kosi so. Bossu. Share Papa we won. Ono na adi ni nyina anu Oboso okoba Bossu. Sanya mo expect sa de ne be yen sa na ya mama na.
Oh, Megas na yening. I am IF. I mean, number ne about 40 in number. That is a huge number. And Jumedini nyina say yere nienge resisika the ICT lab ama tutu Presbyterian Basic School. Yenga dikanga yebi wo Obosomase Obosomase Methodist and Obosomase Presby. Yenga ye tutu Methodist. Inti yere tutu Presby afi na afi yewie ho na yenga hwene ho nti ye sa adofo beba no aba bebua na yenga ye say education ni the best investment a yebetum dia ma nchirima send ya say we are send recover no ye computer world nti kakra american
yo akra ye da asipienti ye gye ahom kakra wo hia hihye ha ye gye ahom kakra awia ye besanga wo so na chese bepo na na ye furu nti mu stay tuned send ya tv ya na ye de nya wo nyina ha ebebram ye no wo be wie so sen e wo Obosomase what you say nti stay tuned the Pod Media Network.
So now we've done 8 hours. 8 hours.
Okay.
41 kilometers.
Okay.
So we are now at Peduasi. We've done 8 hours, 1 minute, and done and walked for 41 and walked 41 kilometers. We are yet to do 11 to make it 52 and complete. We'll keep walking. Here you are. That's the statistics. are now at
Junction.
a T junction. We walked for 9 hours. We've done 45.9 kilometers. So let's say 46. We walked for 9 hours. We are traveling at a speed of almost 17 minutes per kilometer. That's our average situation.
Keep it up. Nice one. And we just put it.
Inti mo hwa yes edru ko bi ho pa yes edru ko no madam bi aboko
Hi.
Okay, also on Twitter inti ebeka brofo how is you and how is you daddy how send me kind
Both of them. I'm fine, thank you.
Please, which massage company are you from?
Make Pro.
From
Spinters.
Hey, so from Spinters to this place. So today, what should our people expect? Quality massaging or just?
Oh, they are taking the best actually. We are not actually doing a full body, but some stretch and that's all. So we are not doing a full body. Okay. You come home for a full body. This one just to relieve your pain, okay, because they have walked for long. I don't know how many kilometers, but I know they have walked for long.
Okay. So in case someone wants massage from you, please can you give us your location?
Okay, I'm at Octopus, opposite Octopus. Okay. So if you want to come to my place, you can just put Make Pro on your Google map, okay, and you'll be there. Okay.
Oh, why you laughing? Let's stop. Okay. Can you give us your telephone number?
Yes, 054
okay
66 450 93.
Okay.
Make Pro massage.
Make Pro massage inti monarch. Yana ko na jai sa abuni kina ama wade twetwe wade adomo jai hwe ebi na ekoso wachi won ebi na ekoso wachi nti ebe ko na e wonso yakohwe na ekoso ho nti se na e mamote ase no ye sha so Dansoman Last Stop 9 p.m. Enumere say time check ba cha ban po 7:18 ya ba be pie e wo Obosomase nti ye na papa e ba twen komo na onon mo video na mbon say bribia no hia ya no wa kire yen ya akose kilometers akase nje si ani bibi se ni nyina akosi sen na akora ni nyina akosi sen
ekosi ya ba bedu Yesu di munti ya ba bedu.
So how many kilometers now?
Sisi I 50.6 kilometers. 50.6.
How many hours?
10 hours. 10 hours, 5 minutes, 43 seconds. And I did do. I started 9 p.m. Ewo Dansoman Last Stop, Star of the East in Channel. Afase Street.
Okay.
Hona Yesha see 9 p.m. Na dodo nipa dodo be almost 30. ebinom nso ahyia kwan so Fiesta Hotel, Shiashi Shell behind the Food and Drugs Board Shell honomo. And I've been so shy or Legon and Adenta. Inti Nina, ye be nipa be 40 something and a year race. No, but Nipa Musha see Dansoma be 20, 24, 25.
Did you rest?
Oh, kakra, because who rested for more than 7 minutes now. Adrenaline no echo form. Into the required rest period is between 3 to 7 minutes. Into Yajina Shell, Food and Drugs Board Shell, Yajina or just 3-4 minutes. And I no munsu, and I yet mini Madame for Bakwe chair apple. By no crime mrekamo. Ye nanti by sign I be breaky or I mean I know so yam breaking che uchepa adrenaline ebe kofom ene ube say sorry ube bre nti apart from lace break any urine break no ye engina kwan so ye di mechanic echo
Nti finally advice be na be ma Debbie hiking, what is it aimed at?
A lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle. We hike here every Saturday. Saturday, pia, me say, ebusan mo, I'm almost ebusan penny. But him say, oh, she share me Saturday, dear, and no part dear, unyami, because me back kolebu, me friend ha kolebu, and only me kolebu, me nko kolebu. Me kolebu into me find their grow into ye promote healthy lifestyle and the best healthy the best way to live healthily is to walk. Just keep walking and one ye buta ye cool way.
Thank you so much. To Chidom Hene. Yes, Chidom Papa. And I na shia yan we drink komo chidom call walk ni bi name is chidom say na o na walk yin so dey what we hen na dey ntuga na do kan.
Oh, okay. Tsenku hiking club. In fact, when I had the pa ama Akuapem. My first time, in fact, many encounter with them, but not as this particular year. Wabe launch a computer lab to Methodist JHS. In fact, one year my way in na ni so na one so. It may yes anytime bia wabe organize bribi say no. Ye nyina ye de ho begem na yahwe de kode a ewum. Nti eno na ene muhu ye wo ha na one annual hiking walk. What the assessor so ayen so ya ba join won wa hai.
Na ohene say we na to na bi ento bi ebi ama medu ebi tew sange na o sha azifi na do dia.
Oh. We are almost robot papa na. In fact, me follow one from Oyarifa. Me follow one from Oyarifa na Yedebai. But okay, according to the leader now, was 30 feet Dansoman, which is a 52-kilometer walk. Alongside the Nkrofo Ebeshemu, Ewoshiashi, Legon, Adenta, and finally, what the Ebeduha. And as I'm talking to you now, baby, Atitwada. Yes, so I see you to me by young near Wahay, Sunny Ohuon, also and our Wahay, Intino. Yeah, you want to be an idea about Beduhay. In fact, this is the first time experience. It's not impressive best stress here, but it seems it is fun. It is fun. So anytime I'm baby, I be our best start to be a minimum the best start. Now, may a sportsman, may a sportsman, pa. Okay, exercise for now. Only send me a long distance runner. It is how the way they are met me a pass. So anytime I'm organized, be make it sure say you better join anyone. Nah, you don't want to do baby pepe. With this, no, you encourage Akuapem obia o Akuapem. Say when you hiking ho, a better so be joining this particular group because Nema worry here. Edi amo Akuapem na so papa.
menka no this particular work now and also in aid of another computer lab for to Presby JHS. It's wow here na just developments na egu so a so menim say enko see next year no we be sang akọ aso adoso hodum area na hodum so wan akọ akoyebi it will be up mpuntu Akuapem no o make sure say obe draw closer to them na bibia obe bia no de no wanshim yo that's it
saa na ohini si ni pia o ya sorry so yo inti sesi an time check about 9 yes Tsenku hiking club sene ya mamoti ase fiti enra anwumre 9 pm and you feed Dansoman Last Stop and ne latest by 8 o'clock na 8:30 na ebi start ya bedu anasa wo buy one trinity wompo massage akoso yes o sha tutu chidom hene wo hanom chidom hene nso wo mpanyimfo no nyina wo ha wo hwe se bibia ebe fine ti ba bibia wo bia no I think say it will be such a great experience say we be join the Tsenku hiking club now during one of these their hikes watch right from Accra to Obosomase when once a year but aside that was some different ones be away it's an experience but na be join me na ma bre me cameraman why I say wa bre enti yedwesia fiance yakwakoda enti na me adoma ebehia yedase